Hello friends, you are welcome back. It is another great day here at Godfrey at AutoCAD, and we are here to talk about the design of beams. In the last video, we talked about the analysis of the structure, and today we're going to talk about the design of beams. Then after the beams, we shall go to the columns. After the columns, we shall go to the design of rib beams. Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. It's Godfrey and I'm from AutoCAD, and I'm here to do the design of the beams. As I said, we go to the design and then we look for the story beams. The tab will show here, and what we shall do, we shall design a beam design batch mode. We shall run a beam design batch mode, and we reselect all the bars and calculate. As you can see, the software, how good is the software? It will calculate its own dimension, and it will give us the bars according to the settings we done in the earlier stage. As you can see, now it's on story 2, beam 1, story 3, beam 1. As you can see, it will design all the beams. It has completed, process completed, and we shall close and check. As you can see, the design of all these beams is correct, is okay. The beams are okay. As you can see, if you see a green tick, that will show the beams are okay. Let's see, if let's say we choose double click in this beam, double click in the first beam, and we see how they will be. It shows that we have a hanger bar of diameter 16. We have 3 bottom bars of T12. We have top bars of T12. What if I remove these maybe hanger bars? You see the design will be not okay. Let me remove this, and we press OK. As you can see, the beam will show it's not designed. So to design it, what we shall do, double click in this beam. Design is not valid. Do you want to update the bars? Press yes. And when we update, it will be shown here as we said. Then what we shall do, what any adjustments can be made here. As you can see, I can change this one. Click in this one, I can change the diameter of the bar and reduce the number of bars. As you can see, it will not come out. Maybe if I can increase the diameter here, as you can see, it will not come out. It needs 3 T16 in the bottom. Maybe we can remove this. As you can see, it's no way. We have to provide for the hanger bars. What if I put 3 here? As you can see, now the check is okay. I can also remove this and increase this by to T16, and also increase the number. Also here, increase the number, then to T16, and maybe remove this. As you can see now, we have 3 bars in the top of T16 and 3 bars of T16 in the bottom. The design is best to us as we want it, and when we press OK, our beam will be okay. Let's say I double click in this one and maybe remove this one and make it 0. As you can see, the design will have failed. When I press OK, they say the beam is not designed. So we have to double click in it, and design is not valid. You press yes, and it will put the bars. So what else do we need? We can change this one to 3T16 remove this one. As you can see, it doesn't come out. What if I increase this one to 4? Doesn't come out. Yeah, so it means we need this one to 4. Doesn't come out. So what we need a support bar here to counteract the hogging moments at this support. Yeah, then we can also check this if we can be able to remove this and then increase this T16 and then remove this. As you can see, we need the hanger bars at the supports to prevent the hogging moments. As you can see, we shall keep on designing according to our limits. Yeah, okay. Suppose we had this bar and go to beams and then change the height maybe to 200. Change the height to 200. Also here to 200 and then press OK. What will come out? As you can see, it has already failed. What we do, double click in this and press yes. Yeah, actually this is what I needed. The deflection check L/D, the actual span to the depth ratio, it has failed. It means here we have a longer span. And a small depth. So in order to make this one okay, we have to come to the beams and then increase the depths, maybe back to 400. Click on this one to 400 and then click in the above value such that also this one can change, and then go to the rebars and then we can change the rebars from here. Or we can use the method which selected, which was standard pattern number 3. And also the deflection check has passed. We can also change another, press OK, change another beam, let's say this beam 4, and then reduce the size, the height of the beam, maybe to also 200. And also this one to 200, and then click in the first one such that the second also one changes to 200 and press OK. As you can see, the beam will fail with a cross sign in red. So in order to make this one okay, we shall double click in it and then check the deflection check. As you can see, we have L/D, which is not coming out. The span to depth ratio is more than 19. Yeah, and so this one makes sure that the beam will deflect. And so what do we do here? In order to increase to reduce the deflection, what we do, we have to change the height of the beam and then come to the beams and then change the height from here, let's say to 400 again, then to 400 again. We click in the upper one such that anywhere here, such that this one also changes to 400 and press OK. What we do is to, already it's okay, double click in it and press OK. Bars do not fit in the section. And then we shall use a standard pattern, which is standard pattern number 3, which we chose when we are doing the settings. And then as you can see, the bars will arrange themselves in that manner. As I said, we can change these ones maybe to H16s and also these ones to H16s, and maybe remove this hanger bar. And then also remove this hanger bar and then increase this one is also H16 and the H16, and remove also this one. As you can see, also the bars we shall have some deflections here. So in order to prevent those deflections, we have to put the hanger bars. Yeah, so as you can see, this one will be designed very well. It also shows us the number of links. As you can see, this one will be H8 spaced at 250, H8 spaced at 250, and all these ones, as you can see. Yeah, so we press OK, and before we finish here, we have to also make sure that we design a report of all the beams, or we can also filter this, and then we filter by story or by section. Let's filter by story, and let's say we want beams of the Prince beam. Press OK. They will be shown here, and we can design a report of all the ground beams. Then I'll press OK, and then the report will come out showing the beams. As you can see, the report is loading, and it will be shown here. So the beams show us the deflection check, it has passed. Then also shows us the number of bars required, and the number of bars required as we have designed. So this is the required area. It required 397 millimeters. We provided 603. It required 992. We supplied 603. As you can see, we are even putting in some factors of safety. We can look at also this beam. We have the axial load diagram. This is the shear force diagram. This is the bending moment diagram. As you can see, the moments here are too small, more than this. So here we shall need less bars than the other thing. Yeah, so since we have loaded this report, even though we close it, it can be found in the reports builder. As you can see, proposed residential house, and then beam reinforcement design, and then the made by AutoCAD, and then checked by the engineer. All those will be shown here. I can close this, and that marks the end of our design of beams. So if this video has been helpful, please give us a like and comment our videos. Where you have not understood, please ask me in the comment section. I will be able to answer, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching. I remain AutoCAD from AutoCAD Engineering Solutions. Bye. Let me see you in our next video.